In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Roblox Guis using Figma. We're going to start by grabbing a high-quality template and then bring it into Figma so you can customize it to match your game's style. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Figma has a community section where creators share interface kits and templates, and it's a great place to quickly find polished Guis starting points. Once you're on the site, click on Community. This is where you can browse publicly shared projects. In the search bar, type Roblox GUI. You'll see a selection of templates designed with Roblox interface patterns in mind. Pick a template that matches the vibe you're going for, maybe something minimal for a simulator or something bold for an action game. Click the template to open its detail page. Here, look for the option that says Open to Figma. Select it and your browser will hand off the file so Figma can open or import it for you. When the file is open in Figma, you'll see pages, frames, and components organized in the left sidebar. Figma allows you to click into different components and inspect how they're built. Take a moment to explore the structure. Look at buttons, health bars, inventory panels, tabs, icons, and any modal windows included. Components are reusable building blocks. Editing the main component updates all its instances, which keeps your design consistent and saves time. Now the fun part, customize everything to fit your game. Start with colors and typography to set the mood. Adjust fills, strokes, and text styles so your palette and fonts feel cohesive. If the template uses variants for button states like default, hover, and pressed, tweak each state so interactions feel consistent across your UI. Rename layers and components to match your naming conventions, which makes it easier to maintain as your project grows. Use the right-hand panel to fine-tune properties. If the template uses auto layout, you can change padding, spacing, and alignment to make panels responsive for different screen sizes. Swap icons by pasting your own vector artwork into the icon layers and update shadows, blurs, and corner radii to match your desired aesthetic. If you need additional screens, duplicate existing frames and modify them, keeping margins and spacing consistent. Finally, review your frames at different zoom levels to make sure text is readable and touch targets are comfortably sized. Consistency is key, so rely on components and shared styles instead of one-off edits. With that, you've taken a template from the Figma community and transformed it into a tailored Roblox GUI inside Figma.